Hello everyone, welcome to another video. On today's video I'll be showing you guys how to remove the door card from a BMW E84 X1. This is I think pretty sure it's a 2011 to 2014, but you should recognize your model. Anyway, so I've gotten this off just for the ease of the video to explain this a bit easier. You want to get yourself a clip. Okay, and pretty much you want to sort of go from the top and you sort of want to like pry it out, and then once you get the top open you can start pulling it out like that, and then popping it out, and then it'll just pop out. So in here you can see these are the clips. They're very similar to the bumper clips, so these will just pop out. You pry them out or you pull them out. But yeah, you want to probably start from the top, because this is the main clip right there. So that's your first step. Take that out, and then you've got some T screws or whatever in here. You got them in there. So you got one there. You have one here. And then you've got another one deep in there, and then you've got another one up at the end. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry for the focus. So yeah, four down the door. So we're going to go ahead and remove those. And this one here is a T20 socket. Now again, we have the same process. You want to get your little ply tool and start from the end, clip that out there. As you see, I've already taken out for video purposes. Just pop that out, and then you will get to the point where you can slowly pop this out and pull it out, and then it'll just come out just like that. So these are held in by these clips. So you will have to remove this, chuck that aside. Then you can see in here we have another T20 here, another T20 here. You have to undo these. So we're going to go ahead and undo these. Okay, now that you have your 2 extra bolts off, or T screws, whatever, they're about this big, quite big screw. You should be then able to start to go around and pull your door card out. This is where your clipper will come in handy. So I'm just going to really quickly position the camera. So just pop it out, keep going. These will be in here pretty hard, so don't be afraid. Okay, here we go. So the door card is now hanging. What you want to do is, before you drop it, you want to go inside and look in here, and you need to pop out these little wires. Just pop those out like that, and you have one over there. You just want to pop that out as well. Pop that out from the hole. Okay. Now we have one more wire just in here. This is your door connectors. This camera is your door connectors just in here. So I'll lay this flat. Like so. So you have 2 connectors in here. This connector here, you need to push this. You need to push this in here. Okay, you got a little clip just on the top. So you need to push that little clip in here, and then pull this back. Okay, just do that. It's so hard to do this with fucking no hands. God. Okay, so I'm going to come back because I need 2 hands. Okay, so you need to push that on the top, and you can pop this back like that, and then that will just come out like so. When it will, when you pop, you need to pop this out. It's your little your window switch buttons. This one pops out. Okay, it's going to be one of those things where you're going to want to get your pry tool again. Again, pop it up, pop it on the side, and maybe the back, but just want to get that in and just pop that up like this. And it will come up. You don't need to take it all the way out, because as you can see, this will just pop out. Okay. You know, it's very hard to film when you have no fucking hands. So that is how you remove your door card on a BMW X1 E84. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll be uploading a lot more E84 videos as I pull this car apart, so that, you know, you guys can find it a little bit easier to dismantle or fix your own E84. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.